Next move's going to be this. After this Amtrak, this local's going to come down, go down the hill and go into that yard. We'll start shooting video here.
Yeah, I'm just
That's basically an old cargo, part of the cargo section. It has both engine brakes out on that.
okay. I've never seen that. Yeah. Also, it's one of the only Cascade MTCs I haven't seen. I don't know why I haven't